The climate is changing, and you?
The mangrove forest is important because it protects the Ashton community from storm surges and erosion. With the impacts of climate change, our mangrove forest is dying, putting the safety of our community at stake. At Susgren, we are adapting by restoring mangrove forests as it's our first line of defense during adverse weather conditions. The red mangroves have a strong crop root system which helps defend the coastline by breaking the waves' energy. To maintain a healthy mangrove ecosystem, we can educate and replant. Now, Ashton Lagoon is blossoming. It supports critical habitat for marine and bird life. Turquoise water flow. The lagoon says, I can breathe again.
You too, take action.